ndị be anyị ka ụbọchị nke taa mara na anyị mma. Asị m na ọ ya bala okeke bala oke afọ. Asị m na ọ ya dịrị ndị Igbo niile na mma, na ya dịrị anyị Igbo na mma, na anyị nche ya dị ka echi, na echi ada agwụ agwụ, maka na onye Igbo ka anyị bụ. Ife anyị na-azọ bụ ka o esi dịrị anyị na mma, ọ bụrụ onye ji nke ya. Ma dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo midia ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu nnukwu ozi ya dị oke mkpa gbasịta maka ihe na-eme na be anyị bụ ana Igbo, ana gbasịta maka ntọrọ ọdịda anyanwụ a na-akpọ Eastern Region, ya bụ Igbo midia. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ihe anyị ga-etinyere unu n'iru akwụkwọ gbasịta maka nnwere onwe a na-azọ, ihe Biafran Prime Minister kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Ma achọ ka Igbo mụrụ nze mụọ ọzọ, ka ndị Igbo ji biri, jegodi na ya bụ ife, gee na ya bụ ife, unu ga-esi ya, unu atụkpọ alụ, tinye uche nke unu, ife unu chere gbasịta maka ya bụ ife nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Simon Ekpa kwuru n'iru akwụkwọ. Ọ dị na ka o sikwu m n'ọnụ. Over to you, sir.
You see some of the people that hoisted this flag and killed them. Not Nigeria Army, not Nigeria Police. But you know, this was targeted at distracting what we are doing. It was targeted at igniting internal war. I ignored all of them. I focused on the enemy, which is the Nigeria government. They did everything to provoke me to start internal war so that we are going to be distracted from the freedom movement. I ignored all of them because I have template. Now, template is the highest secret oath. Don't deviate. Focus and put your eye on the ball, no matter what happened. They have killed even those who were very close to me. They killed them, thinking that after that I would declare war, internal war against them. I have not done that. The people have declared this internal war, or if there is any war, continue to remain the security criminal. Those who call themselves criminal security forces are the people that our arms are against. And the family of those they killed will also speak to Biafra people in due time. These are live witnesses, family of those people that these criminals have killed in this struggle. You are fighting for Biafra and killing people fighting for Biafra because they followed Simon Ekpa and followed autopilot. He killed them. Biafra don't know what has happened in this struggle, but I'm sharing this particular tip today because the road is clear and we can see the light at the end of the tunnel. That's why I'm making this, making this particular statement. Because Biafra is here, I have seen it. And when I told you, I know the date Biafra will come, they doubted me. They used propaganda, thinking that it is propaganda that you use to fight freedom. They say we counted 150 days. Biafra did not come. They say we said Biafra is going to come in 2023. Biafra did not come. These are people without vision. People that doesn't know their left and their right. They started using gun, going to bushes to start shooting animals in the name of chasing Fulani. We are not chasing any ethnic group from our land. I have made it very clear. If you go after ethnic group, you become a terrorist. We are not going after ethnic groups. We are going after the terrorist army, police, and every Nigerian forces that carries gun. That is the people we are going after. Because once you go after them, you have uprooted the people in the bush. If you go after ethnic group in the name of Fati Fulani, you are a terrorist. This is the international law that many idiots don't know. If you go after Fulani in the forest in the name of fighting terrorists, we know that they are terrorists, but you cannot go after ethnic group, labeling them terrorists. You are a terrorist. We are going after the security, criminal, and terrorist forces who give them backup. That's why today, as we are dealing with these terrorists in uniform, you don't see anybody butchering our people in their villages because the backup has been uprooted. When the people giving the backup are running away from Biafra land, who is going to come to kill? Even those with their cows, they are very afraid to commit any crime because the people that they are using for backup are running away from Biafra. Any day they try it, we will visit them. The book we will write about this Biafra struggle will shock many because many people don't know what has happened behind the scene. But one thing I am very, very happy about is how the spirit of Biafra dealing with these criminals and this enemy of our struggle. I have not raised hand against them. But their judgment is fast approaching. The pit they have dug for us, they will fall inside those pits. And the time for them to start falling inside that pit is now. Because the job has been done. What we are going to be doing today is to make sure that every Biafran participated and continue to participate in the voting that will start on the first day of February 2024. It is a lie, it is a lie, it is a lie. Here we are today. I am telling you now and I'm announcing you that the Biafra self-referendum will kickstart the voting. The early voting, digital voting will start on the 1st of February 2024. Once we clock 20 million, we'll put it on hold. The next voting will be the week of the convention in Finland, where after that we are going to count the vote and declare the restoration of independent state of Biafra. By then, believe me, before October this year, if any military man is in Biafra land, that person must be a magician. I'll leave it here. Sources can begin to bring people if they have any question. Please let the question be focused on this particular voting that is going to start on the 1st of February. Thank you.
Thank you, my Prime Minister, Your Excellency, Mazi Simon Ekpa. Say good afternoon from here. Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans, all lovers of freedom, those who are listening from other countries that are not originally Biafran. You are a witness to our referendum message, which in less than a week or so, or more than a week now, it will commence. So you are here as a witness, and I welcome all of you. Kama is real. Kama is real. Please, can you go straight to your question and ask Prime Minister question based on this very announcement he just made now, not to any other. Please, go ahead.
All right, then. Thank you. Can you hear me very well, Susset?
Loud and clear.
Okay. Thank you so much, PM, for hearing your voice again, live and direct. Thank you, Success, and thank you, everyone. My question is very simple and is going to be regarding the referendum. Is it going to be conducted in such a way that it will be easier for us to be able to register as many as possible, and then we know the people that have already registered, for example, starting from the government to hello?
Can someone hear me?
Please,
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, then people
Hello?
that already have, like the people that went to the convention, you know, their data is already in the system, and then going to different families and levels, so that it will be easy for us to know the people that are already registered, and that we don't have to go for them again. Thank you.
Well, I don't know. Your question is very disorganized somehow. What I have to tell you is that the referendum, self-referendum of Biafra that is starting on this 1st of February is going to be digital voting, very secured and powerful tool that we are using, innovative way of voting. And above all, it is very, very simple and very easy step. Very easy. You must have a Gmail for a start. So you must have, a Gmail account. A Gmail, account like email. Apart from that, it is very, very easy and very, very, very simple. And you can upload your picture. It is one of the requirements. You can upload your picture or snap yourself as you are making the voting, and put in your picture and attach it. Very easy step. And after that, you click submit, and that's it. You must be above 18 years. And also, we have a state-by-state link. So it is not a general link to vote. Every state will have their own link to vote. You go there, identify your county, click on your county. The counties are listed on those links. You have your county and click on it and vote. This is early and advanced voting of the self-referendum of Biafra. So we'll make it as easy as possible. You are going to be amazed. In fact, when this voting will start, the testimony will blow your mind. So I'm telling you that it is very easy and very simple steps, because we know the challenges that our people are facing, especially when it comes to the internet and all that. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Freedom King, please go straight to your question.
Yeah, good afternoon from here. Good afternoon, sir. Yeah, my question is regarding this self-referendum that will start in February. For example, my mother in the village, she don't have a Google account, like Gmail. So if I want to vote for her, I want her to vote rather. So can I use my own Gmail to vote for her, or I should create another Gmail for her?
Every person voting must have their own email. So if you are, trying to help your old mother in the village, you create Gmail account for her in her name. It is not very difficult. So everybody must have their own email. So the work you have to do as person in the city is to create Gmail for the people that are above 18 years and they are in the village. So when you want to help them to make their voting, make sure that everybody have their own Gmail. You can create the Gmail for them, as many as possible for them, and make sure that their pictures are uploaded. That's all. That is the requirement.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for that clarification. And I thought as much, because it doesn't take up to 2 minutes to finalize creation of Gmail. It will also help people when we launch our digital currency. You're also going to use your Gmail for some of these things. So start practicing it now. Thank you very much, sir. Vision 555. Can go ahead.
Yeah.
555 Vision. Sorry.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, our PM, the Vulcan of our time. Thank you for the great job you are doing for us. The hope of Biafra relies on you, and we are here that you will give us Biafra. Please, I don't have question, but I have kind of a suggestion for the referendum. Suggesting if you can make a video, maybe 3-5 minutes video, instructing the organizations, church leaders, and every leader of every organization, giving them opportunity for them to announce this opportunity we have to come out of Usman Danfodio agenda, to come out of this murderous way that is facing our life, that every one of them instructing every organization leader for them to know, so that with your video we can from there carry it up to spread the gospel. That is what I wanted to know if it may be possible, because with your video we can begin to carry it up from there, instructing them to announce it in their churches, in their various organizations. That's what I wanted to suggest. Thank you, my Prime Minister, and all of us of freedom.
Thank you very much. It will be done. There will be a video, 3 minutes or less than 2 minute video, for this. So we'll do it.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you. And your plea is granted. Sir George, please, on a quick one, mute yourself and go straight to your question.
Go ahead, Biafra.
Biafra, ready.
Standing on the existing protocol, my PM, Simon Ekpa, and all the government, I appreciate you for this great job. So I want to ask someone like me, that I'm coming from two clan. My mom is from Ohuku, and I'm in Efiom, and my dad is from Imo State, Nunkwere. I believe I've been following all the posting with respect to the various states that I fall in. And with respect to my mom's side, like sometimes my uncle's side, most of them didn't go to school, even cannot read. So I remember the first explanation you're doing on Twitter. We explained that some certification will be needed with respect to this referendum voting. Most of these people don't even have any certificate with respect to my mom's side, that is Ohuku side, which I'm carrying them along. Sometimes they ask questions, I inform them and feed them. And with respect to this Gmail too, but for Gmail, of course, I can handle that of the Gmail for them. Many of them, maybe single-handedly creating Gmail for them, but that of the certificate, none of them have certificates. But of course, most of these people that stay in the village, those things don't really matter to them. So I want to know if actually with respect to that certificate, but for pictures, I don't have their pictures because I'm not close to them. I didn't know how I can extract their pictures for them, even though I create their Gmail with their name, which I know. So I didn't know how I can extract their picture, or maybe their picture might look old. But my actual concern with respect to that, placing their certificate or other requirements with respect to authentication and identification of this one is actually a Biafran. So thank you, sir. That's my question. I so submit.
Thank you very much. There is no certificate no certificate is needed. Every certificate in Nigeria is a fraud. Okay? We don't need their certificate to vote. So all we need is their name, their county, villages, and their picture. And of course the Gmail. So we cannot validate any certificate from Nigeria. It is all fraud. So the certificate is their name, their picture, and the name of where they come from in Biafra land, which is there in the questionnaire. And then if you don't have their picture, let somebody in your village who has a smartphone go and take their picture one after the other and forward to you. Because you save it to your phone, as you are making the voting, you go to the picture side section, it will ask you, when you click on it, you know how you register on social media. When you click on it, it will ask you to upload the picture from your phone or to take a new picture. So in this case, because they have snapped the picture and forwarded it to you, and you know who they are, you know their different faces and all that. So all you need to do is in that particular application, you click, select picture from your phone where you have saved it to your phone, and you go to the picture of that particular person you are making the application, click on the picture, upload the picture, and save it, and continue and submit it. As simple as that.
Yeah, thank you. So if there's any area of to upload any document and there's no any documents to
There is
upload.
no document. There is no document to upload. Just picture.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Ndị be anyị daalụ nne nụ ihe a bụkwa Igbo midia anyị si wee na-ewetakwara unu nnukwu ozi a dị oke mkpa dịka anyị si kwuo unu nkwa na dịka anyị si na-agba mbọ ewere ike ị na-enye unu update bụ ihe gbasara maka ife na-eme na ana Igbo be anyị na ndị nwere onwe nke a na-azọ. Ọ ya bụ nkwa ka anyị kwere unu and anyị ga na-emezu ya. Ọzọ dịka ibe ya bụ iwe ọchịa ihe a kịta ị nụrụ n'elu akwụkwọ Biafran Prime Minister kwuru, gwa onwe gị eziokwu n'ụdị nke gị na nchịkọta mmụọ gị ka arụ iwelitela anyị n'ihe a maka oke ihe ga na-esi na-emezi. O nwere ebe ekweta na ndị Igbo ya anọ, o nwere ebe anyị sịrị anyị nọrọ. Igbo abụlọ senate president, Igbo abụlọ vice president, nothing. And na ụmụ ihe ndị niile amegasịkwa anụ ụmụnne anyị esokwa na-agba owofa mgba maka owe ka ife ya je megidezie ajụrụzi asị ma ọ gịnị na-emezi ọ dị ka arụ achọziri ime anyị negodin ka obodo si dị ka e mere ji jide nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na mkpọrọ akwa maka ndị Igbo. Gịnị ka ihe ọjọọ mere? Maka ọ sị na n'Igbo ga-adị, maka ọ sị na anyị ga-adị ka echi na echi ada agwụ agwụ. O nwere ihe ọzọ eji jide ya? Jụọ oge ajụ a, gịnị ka eji jide Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? Ọkwa maka ọ sị na Igbo ya adị. Biko ọtụtụ dị ka iwe chetara ife a bụ Igbo midia anyị na-asụ n'onu be anyị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị na-asụ. So biko ọ bụ na ede anụ Igbo iwe ewe na gị, ọnụnụ be anyị ka anyị ji akọwa ihe na-eme ebe a. Ka ego ọkwa na ya anyị na-ekwu bifọ unu ekwe n'iwe ka ife onye ndu melụ ọ sị na ya na-eme mgbomgbe ndị Igbo na-abịa ya n'alụ ọ na-ewute ya. Simon Ekpa pini ya anyị agbaba ya mgba ka e mere obedient movement. Akwụwụrụ okwu Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru before ejide ya, they will never give you that president, that seat. Akwụdoro na ya na Peter Obi winere mana nyere ya. Gịnị ka asị ya bụ mba Igbo mana na ife maka oke esi na-ekwuzi okwu ọka ife ga na-esi na-emezi. Ọ bụ na ịkpọrọ onwe gị mitin chụkọ onwe gị ọnụ, jụọ onwe gị ajụ a ka ebe ịkwụ n'obodo a bụ Naijiria. Ajụ nchọkwa onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị n'elu akwụkwọ a jụọ onwe ya na na-ejicha onwe gị ya bụ ife isaa ya ọgwụna ka m n'ọnụ. Ihe a bụ